Hey everybody, it's me, Marco of Manlock Things, and today we're gonna talk about, well, 10k subs and community. So let me start off by saying a big thank you to all of you, for subscribing to my channel, to giving me feedback, to commenting on videos, liking them, sharing what's there. All the communication was amazing, and I love to see the results you did. There's a few amazing things I already saw, and I love to see new stuff, and it's really cool. It has been a fun ride to the 10k. It's super quick. I didn't think it would be that fast, but it was actually, and I'm really happy to be at 10k, and let's keep that rising, that number. So, but with 10k subs there also comes a thing that's work, that's like social media management and trying to keep up with all your comments. I try to answer every comment that I find, or at least give it a like if it's serious, or to answer questions, even if the question comes for the 100th time. Well, no, lifts don't work with Instax, transparency don't work with Instax Film. Sorry to say that. But to make that a little bit more simple, so I don't have to answer on different channels, and also we have the problem if you have problems. At the moment there's no space, you have to write me an Instagram direct message to send me pictures, because YouTube doesn't really allow that. So what I did is I created a Discord server. I'm sure most of you don't know what Discord is. It's actually coming from the gaming world, so it's not that analog, it's pretty digital. But it's a kind of server that lets you communicate with friends on text-based and voice-based. So it has text channels for different topics, and it has voice channels that you can just drop in and have a little chat. And I really love to chat with people, because it's way faster to answer problems or talk about problems and understand them than to always write long messages and without pictures. That's hard to... I prefer to have a little chat with somebody in a voice chat and to find out problems, talking to them. It's way easier to solve problems that way. It's really hard if you just drop me a few lines in the comments. I have a really hard time solving problems there. The Discord server will be public with today. You will find a link in the description where you can join. You can just join over the web browser if you don't want to have the voice chat. If you want to join the voice channels, you can download the software. It works on your phone, on your PC, Mac, whatever. So it's a really cool service. It's free to use. So there will be a few rules on that server, and please accept them and behave well on that server. Don't fight with each other. Have a nice communication with the community, and try to be nice. There will be mentors. That's people I know or that have a knowledge about Polaroid. They will be if you have problems and you get an answer from them, you can take them seriously. They're mostly pretty legit. On the other hand, the roles are not really important. They are just to show off who has the knowledge at the moment. Maybe in the future, I'm currently creating a Patreon site, so in the future there will be Patreons. What's also pretty nice about Discord is that I probably can discuss my camera ideas and stuff like that on there, and we can have a talk about film, scanning and everything. So I want to have a main source for where I can drop all the questions and discuss them. Discord also has a history where you can search, so if you have a question you can just search through that history and probably already find the answer to a question, because most questions are pretty common and repeat each other. Also pretty good, you can upload pictures, so that's easy for me. So if you have see mentors in that channel, please don't direct message all the mentors or people on the server. Just write it in the channel. There's a few channels already defined. Just write in that channel and we'll figure out the problem in public, so everybody has something to do. If we want to keep going direct message, mentors will directly message you. So that's the Discord server, and I hope a lot of you people join there. I try to hang out there as much as possible. If you just want to jump in a voice chat, if you want to talk, I'll probably look there a few times a day and see if I can jump in and have a little chat with you. And if you need not, you can just write them in the support channel somewhere that you need help, and if somebody can give you a little chat to help. The other thing, new set, as you can see. It's just basic now. We'll add a little bit of, spice it up a little bit more, but that's gonna be our new set. There's we're actually standing in my living room. So over there, behind you is my kitchen. Up there, left and right, there's I mounted two rails for lights. There's one softbox here, bigger, another softbox back there. On top here, where you have this one, there is a tripod on the ceiling now, which will be used for overhead shots. Down here we have a movable table that I can raise and lower for the images, and we have way more space. So I have like a ton of space where I can move around and shoot 8x10 and show you the bigger cameras and everything. So that's what I have been up for last week. Also, I had a little eye infection, so it was like shitty, so don't wonder if my eye is still a little red. Yeah, but I did a lot of things in the place here, and I hope you like the new setup. Yeah, keep that going. Keep that sub train going. If you have any ideas, questions about what to change, what to do new, you're always welcome. But biggest thing, join Discord. I will be happy to talk with you guys. See you there. See you next week. Bye.